Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Honda Odyssey? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays for the vehicle's critical systems, such as the engine, cooling fans, and lighting. It is typically located near the battery for easy access. A labeled diagram on the fuse box cover helps identify each fuse's function. Engine compartment fuse box. Engine compartment fuse box B houses fuses and relays for systems like ABS, fuel pump, cooling fan, ignition, and other key engine-related functions. Driver's side interior fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box protects circuits related to interior electrical components like the dashboard lights, power windows, mirrors, and audio system. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents short circuits inside the cabin. Driver's side interior fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box, Type B, contains fuses for interior electronics such as power windows, mirrors, door locks, dashboard controls, and lighting systems. Driver's side interior fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box Type C typically includes fuses for advanced features like infotainment systems, power seats, climate control, and driver assist technologies. Rear side interior fuse box. The rear side interior fuse box safeguards electrical components located at the rear of the vehicle, such as rear power outlets, seat heaters, and rear wipers. It helps manage and protect these circuits from overload or damage.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.